So here it is. Here's my Publix haul, Publix heist for the week. This is $216.38 for the goods. It's all said and done. I had an overage, a moneymaker of $5.03. And as always, that total includes the tax. So we got to keep it real on our coupon boast here, real accurate. This is for the week of May 19th to May 25th. Or May 18th to May 24th if you live up north out of the state of Florida. So I'm going to do this every week. Please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right away and do these the rest of the week, because can't always promise when the coupon will expire, or the sale will end, or even they'll be out of stock on some of the items. So let me get right into the 17 or so best deals I thought of this week. That got me the best bang for my buck here. So so many deals I did before. Did them again. Let's start with this Hellman spicy mayo. It's a regular price $4.99. However, they're on sale 2 for $6. So $6 for both of those. And there is a manufacturer coupon from the Save May 15th, which gives you $1 off. So I used 2 of those. And there's also a digital coupon, but I used 2 of those. It's a limited 2. You can also maybe use 2 of those and the digital coupon. You get 3 of them if you want. I did 2. Maybe could have got 3 here. So Ibotta has 75 cents off, or some have $1 off. I had 75 cents off of each one, so that was $1.50 more. And then Fetch has 1,000 Fetch points, so you can get, I think the limit is 5, but I got 2 of them there, so that gave me back another $2. Some have 2,000 Fetch points, so check your Fetch accounts. Probably do better than me on those. So $6 paid for both of those, $2 back from the manufacturer coupon, $2 from Fetch, $1.50 from Ibotta, making those only 50 cents. Alright, Chapstick Singles did this before as well. Where is he? So these are by the register. They're $1.79 with tax, $1.92. There is the extra savings store coupon. It expires today, so get on it if you haven't done that already. So that takes $1 off, and there's a Publix digital coupon that takes $1 off, making that an 8-cent overage moneymaker. Tates, tiny Tates cookies. Now these are by the register too. These are pretty much across from the Chapstick. Maybe every store is different, or they're on like the end cap of the register. Can be kind of hard to find, but they're kind of like snacks, by candy bars or whatever. $1.25 for these, and Publix digital coupon for a free one, so it takes $1.25 off, making it free. Suave 3-in-1. If you can find the 3-in-1 hydrating hair and body face wash. So these, I did this deal last week, and I did it again because it came, still a good deal. So on Mother's Day, if you sign up for the Unilever, they send you these coupons periodically, and on Mother's Day they sent me this $2 off of 2 Suave products, so use 2 of those. That took $4 off. Well, these are $2.29, so for 4 of them would cost $9.84. So used 2 of those, that took $4 off. Then I used 4 of these, $1 off Suave hair care. Expires today, so get on it if you haven't done that. Hopefully you watched my video last week and you were able to do this deal. So use 4 of those as well. That takes $4 off. And then you submit to Fetch. Might take some more off. There was a Fetch on 2 Suave, and it may be gone. I did it last week. This week it was not there. But only cost me $1.84 for these guys. The Baya energy drink, once again, free Publix digital coupon. Had another account, did that. Pretty much did all this in one transaction. I actually did 2 transactions, 2 different stores, because it's hard to find this in the one store I knew had this, so I went to that store. So as I said, $3.23, totally free with the Publix digital coupon. Of course, you'd have to pay the tax, so it only cost 23 cents, just the tax. All right, let's get into these Carbona carpet cleaners, because these are a great deal, and I did this back March. Same deal, same thing, same scenario. So the way you win on this is you buy 5 of the oxy-powered carpet cleaners, the red ones, and you buy 5 of the oxy-powered pet stainers. That's the best way to do this, because they are buy one, get one free. So for 5 of the pet cleaners, you're looking at $5.69 each, so that costs $30.58. 5 of the oxy cleaners are a little more; they're $5.89 each. Factor the tax, it's $31.66. And as I mentioned before, so you're looking at $62 for those, but they're BOGO. So what you do is you buy 5 of each. Hopefully you can find 5 of each, and so they come to $5.89. For 3 of them, you'll pay $5.89, and for the other 2, you'll pay $5.69. So that equals $31.23 for those 10. And you've got to find these hang tags, and I was finding they were on that item. Some of these have them. Honestly, the best way to do it is when they're not on sale, find the hang tags, say 3 weeks from now or 3 weeks prior to this, or a month from now, whatever. Just walking down the cleaning aisle and you see them. So anyways, these are, as I mentioned, $31.23. I use 10 of these $1 off hang tags that are on some of the items. So hopefully you can find 10 of them. And there are an Ibotta rebate for $2 off of these and $2 off of these. Now, if you clip the bigger size, that's like a 20 or like a 40 ounce size in there, it takes $3 off. And when I submitted to Ibotta, it automatically took $3 off for the red ones, and it took $2 off for the yellow ones. So $31.23 spent, $10 off from the manufacturer hang tag coupon, which is a hang tag that hangs from the product, and $15 back. 5 times 3 is 15 from the red ones, and I got, let's see, $10 back from the yellow ones. So that made a $3.77 overage. And as I said, this was a mistake. It was only supposed to take $2 off. But if you clip it, I clipped all the Carbona rebates in my Ibotta. Before you submit the receipt, it should automatically think and pick up the $3 off one. So making that a $3.77 money maker on those. And the outdoor cleaner as well, these are the same, BOGO, $7.99. So for 4 of them with tax, $34.36. However, they're BOGO. So for 4 of them, it comes to $17.18, and I used 4 of those, and so that took $4 off. And then there's a $3 Ibotta rebate for that. That takes $12 off, so only costing you $1.18 for those. All right, let's keep going. Airwick. So these are, there's the 2 count and the 1 count for the Airwicks. So the 2-pack is $3.89, and with tax $4.18. And there is a printable coupon for $1.50 off from the coupons.com coupons.com website. So I got a link to print and a detailed breakdown as always below the video. So that takes $1.50 off, and there is coupons.com has $3.99 off. It's just for like a free one, $3.99 back. So that made $1.31 overage for that guy. And same thing here. This was $1.99 with tax, $2.15. There's a Publix digital coupon for a free one, and as well, you can also use that coupons.com manufacturer printable coupon for $1.50 off. Either one you want to use. $1.99 would be better, of course. So that took $1.99 off, and then also submit that to the coupons.com app, and you will get a $1.99 back on that. So they're making that a $1.83 overage on that. Now it says you shouldn't use, the fine print on the coupons.com app says can't be combined with any other coupon, but I think almost every app, rebate app, check off if you want, all those kind of say the same thing. So use your best judgment on that. But I think if you use the manufacturer printable one, you're buying so many goods here, it'll show up on the receipt as vendor coupon, they can't, decipher. So use your best judgment on that. Anyways, Nivea Soft Body Cream. These are $5.99, so with tax for 3 of them, $19.32, just regular price. There's 2 coupons you use, and it does say there's a limit of 1. So I used both of them. This is a $4 off of 2 for those 2, and then a $2 off of 1 for that one. Either value is the same, $2 off each one. And then there is an extra savings in the extra savings book that expires today, so get on that, $3 off of each one. So making these $19.32. When you factor the tax, I got $4 back and $2 back, and then 3 of these $3 off, so that was $9 back, making that only $4.32. So probably the most I spent on any item for these guys, but still a good deal. All right, Dr. Prager burgers. These are $5.27 at my store. So they cost $21.80 for 4 of them. I know there's only 2 pictured here. I did have 4 of them. My friend helped me move yesterday. That's why, and he is vegetarian, so I gave him 2 of those. Such a nice guy. But he helped me move, so that's why this video is coming up Friday morning. But you got to take the opportunity when someone has a truck and helps you out. So, anyways, Dr. Prager, $10.54 for these guys, and dang it, I don't have the coupon, but I have the link below to print the coupon. $10.54. I used $2 off coupon. I got the link to print that below, so making those only $2.54 for 4 of them. So for 2 of them would cost $1.27. All right, Poise ultra thin pads. You got to find these ones, the ultra thin pads. The regular price is $6.99. So with tax comes to $7.51. However, they are on sale for $4.99. So that comes to $5.36 with tax. There's Publix digital coupon for $4 off. So that's only $1.36. All right, keep it going. Cinnamon Toast Crunch cinnadust. Now, this deal has been out before, and it's kind of the same scenario. This is regular price on these guys, $2.99. So when you buy 4 of them, it comes to $11.96. And there are 500 swag buck points for every 2. So you're allowed to do it twice, as I did it twice. This I did do it on 2 different receipts, but I think you could probably do it on the same receipt. But they just give you back 500 swag buck points, equivalent to $5. And as I said, I did the deal twice, so that was $10 back. And Checkout 51 has $1.50 back on each one, so that's 4 of them, so that was $6. So $11.96 spent, $10 from swag bucks, $6 from Checkout 51, making that a $4.04 overage. I keep going. Luigi Italian Ice. These are $5. These are $4.79. So for 2 of them with tax would cost you $10.60. However, they're BOGO, so that's for 2 of them would cost only $5.30. There's a manufacturer coupon from the Save May 8th that takes $1 off, so I used 2 of those, so that was $2 off. And Ibotta has $1 off of each box, so that's another $2, costing me only $1.30 for those. You buy Kotex pads. These are regular price $2.88. And there is a manufacturer coupon from the Smart Source May 15th. There's also a Publix digital coupon, so I use 2 of those. That takes $4 off, and Fetch gives you 1,500 Fetch points, which is equivalent to about $1.50. So for those 2 only cost me 26 cents. All right, Reynolds. This is just a simple deal. Publix digital coupon. Regular price for this is $1.69, so $1.82 with tax. However, it's on sale for $1.19, so with tax is $1.28. Publix digital coupon for $1 off, so making that only 28 cents. All right, and my final deal. I always gotta just have a great deal, and I'm sorry you won't be able to do this deal. It was kind of luck, or is it skill? Anyways, these were marked on the shelf $4.99. So check your clearance. Check your clearance. These are marked on the shelf for $4.99, and it rang up for $10.49. So it rang up the wrong price. And as you know, I'm gonna do my Publix promise here. It was refunded, and I was happy they refunded it as a non-food taxable item. So they put $11.28 back on my card instead of $10.49. And then there's a manufacturer printable that I used for $3 off. So that took $3 more off. And coupons.com app had $3 off. So I was thinking, all right, it's $4.99. I'm going to get 3 off from the coupon, and I'm going to get 3 from coupons.com. I'm going to have a moneymaker like that. But when Publix Promise hit, I was excited about that. I always check your receipt after you check out too, to make sure everything rang up right. And sitting there checking my receipt, I found out they rang up for $10.49. So I took them over to, you got to go to customer service and tell them. Then they go with you over to the item to make sure you're not making up a story or whatever. So he went over there with me, the customer service guy, and saw it was marked wrong. And they are supposed to rip the tag off of the item, off of the shelf. So now there's no tag, so can't do it again. They're supposed to do that. They don't always do that. Then they refund it to you. As you see, he refunded it incorrectly. He refunded it because it does not have tax on vitamins. But okay, no big deal there. So $11.28, and then they ring it in as 0. So I guess that's the correct way to do it. So regardless, I paid $10.49 for the item originally. $3 back from the manufacturer coupon, $3 back from coupons.com app, that's $6, and then $11.28 back refunded, making that $6.79 overage on that item. And then Ibotta hit my weekend warrior bonus, that was another $1, so thus my $5.03 overage right there. So once again, over 200 some dollars with goods, paid over $5. Once again, paid shop. Please subscribe to Funny Looking Guy if you haven't. Here's my past couponing videos. All right, everybody enjoy their couponing this week.